Yeah, so the immunological cell therapies is a really exciting field in CLL. As you know, CAR T cells have been approved in therapy of non-Hodgkin lymphoma and acute lymphoblastic leukemia. So in CLL, CAR T cell therapy results have been already published. In a study of 20 plus patients, liso-cel has shown very impressive efficacy with overall response rate of 80%, and that includes patients who progressed on both ibrutinib and venetoclax. As you know, CAR T cell therapy is associated with cytokine release syndrome, neurotoxicity. In that study, the median progression-free survival was about 18 months for all patients. So we don't know that type of treatment would be curative, but certainly for patients who have unmet clinical needs, such as those who progressed on kinase inhibitors, it would certainly be a welcome alternative, a welcome approach. And then somewhat behind the bispecific T-cell engagers. So these drugs typically would target CD20 on the surface of the CLL cell, as well as CD3 by bringing the T cell in proximity of the CLL cell, resulting in cellular cytotoxicity. So there are several T-cell engagers in development currently, such as epcoritamab, for example. A phase 1 study in CLL is ongoing. Initial data was presented at the American Society of Hematology annual meeting and showed preliminary efficacy in CLL. Mosunetuzumab is also being investigated in CLL in a clinical trial, but again, all that data is early. The concern there is again cytokine release syndrome, tumor lysis syndrome, because patients with CLL have typically high circulating white cell counts. And then another interesting area would be natural killer CARs. Very limited data there. A recent publication from MD Anderson Cancer Center demonstrated efficacy with NK CARs in CLL as well, with very limited toxicities, so we will need longer follow-up there. But certainly multiple immunological cellular therapies are being developed in CLL as well.